Hey, what's going on, guys? Jonathan Glazer here, coming at you with another email marketing tips video. This one, I'm going to show you a neat little trick that you can use to get more clicks and sales from your emails. So I was sent this email from a list that I subscribe to. His name's Brian Dean, and he focuses mainly on YouTube and SEO. So he sent me this email. And it was talking about a new course that he has. So um, I like to open up emails from big marketers to kind of study what they have, and discovered this cool technique that he did. So what he did was he was talking about a new YouTube marketing course that he has, and then he put right here, click to get access to this YouTube SEO training series. So when I click this link, it actually redirects me to pretty much a thank you page, and then there's no access or no nothing. It's just pretty much a thank you page, a little note, and then he said, keep an eye out for the July 9th. So what's going to happen is um, he's going to send me the training on July 9th, because what he's going to do is he's going to send out an email blast to everyone that clicked the link in his email and landed on this page. And he's also most likely has a Facebook pixel embedded in this. So he's also building a lookalike audience, a custom audience that he can build a lookalike audience around. So it's pretty ninja-like little method here. And I thought it'd be a really good idea to share that with you, give you some ideas of how you can um, improve your list, get more clicks, and only clean up your list so you can only send out blasts to people that are serious, that are clicking, not only opening but clicking on your links, which is going to improve your responsiveness, and as well as people that are actually serious about the offers that you are mailing out. So another thing to note about this site is this is a great way to get people to his blog. So here's about, is then you can contact him, and then some more content over here. So it's pretty cool, little ninja trick that I wanted to share. So to simply do this, what we'll do is you'll just set up an email blast just like you normally would, and you can do it two ways. Again, I'm using Mailing Boss, so if you're using Aweber or GetResponse, there is a way to do this as well. But the method I'm showing you is with Mailing Boss. So I'll also leave information for that below if you want to check out what Mailing Boss is all about. So you can go to Automation Rules, and you can actually just set up a rule on one of your campaigns. So whoever opens a link, you can move them into another list, and then you can email blast that list. So as soon as this opens, I will show you that. Okay, so here is the automation rules page for Mailing Boss. So what I do is I'll just add a rule, and then since I didn't create a email for link click, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pretend that I sent one out. But what you'll do is you'll click on link click, and then it's going to ask you to choose the campaign. So normally it will oops, we've gone. Oh, here we go. So you'll just scroll down and find the email that you want, and normally with Mailing Boss it'll be at the bottom. So you just click on the link you want, and then what you're gonna do is create a new list, or if you have a list already set up for people that are responsive and action takers, then you can move them over to that list, or you can create another list specifically for this campaign if you have a special case study or anything like that you're giving away. You can move people over to this list, and then you can mail that out to them, and then you can also send them other relevant offers that you know that they're going to open, not only open but click. So, and once you pick that, then you're just going to come down here and save rule. So that's one way to do it. Now another way is to go to your, set up a broadcast email inside Mailing Boss. It's called regular campaign, and you'll just click on create new, and then you'll just set up a campaign just like you normally would. So we'll just go to demo email, free training inside, or something like that, whatever it is. If you have a case study or a new lead magnet or course or anything like that, and then you'll just pick your list, and then what you'll do is you'll click save and exit, and then right here is where you're going to I believe, oh, actually it's segment, so I went to the wrong one, apologies. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to details. It's actually in this one, I believe. So yeah, you're gonna want to do find the email that that you sent out previously, and it's gonna give you it'll show the link that you put there. So we'll pretend that's the link right there. So we'll just click on that, but you'll just scroll down and you'll find the link that you sent out that you wanted people to click on. So once they do, that'll be under segment. On the first one, it'll be details. So again, I'm using Mailing Boss, so if you're using a different autoresponder service, it'll be different for you, but it's the same concept. Just find whoever clicks the link, and then you'll just go through your email, setting it up, writing the copy, setting up the time to send out, just like that. So it's a pretty cool little ninja trick. It's going to get you more opens and sales. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you got value from this. If so, please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more videos like this, along with more trainings, product reviews, and much more. So be sure to also click the link below. I got a blog post that's going to give you a little bit more tips on emails, and then of course I have info on the software I'm using along with Mailing Boss. So have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you soon.